rotate the chassis model again, I want to look at the suspension linkage stress points. Right here?
We might need to reinforce this joint before finalizing the design.
If we bring this line down slightly, it emphasizes the stance.
Yes.
Agreed, that balances the front end better. Good call. Refining that now.
Run the diagnostic here. We need to verify the heat resistance. Okay, the scan is complete. Standards are confirmed.
The airflow separation at the rear axle is higher than expected.
Check the vortex visualization on screen 3. Our advanced processing systems prepare these steel sheets for precision automotive manufacturing. The automated scan confirms the density rating.
Excellent. We can approve this batch for the production line.
Panels aligned, go ahead and start the sequence.
Starting sequence. Welding initiated.
Precision engineering comes to life as the robotic arms assemble the very structure of the BMW M5.
The scan confirms the integrity of the rear suspension welds. Data matches specifications. Approved.
The completed body shell undergoes digital verification to ensure perfect compliance with BMW engineering specifications.
Robotic paint systems apply primer with exceptional precision, ensuring complete coverage and consistency.
Advanced inspection systems verify paint thickness and consistency throughout the BMW M5 body shell.
powerful forging systems create the crankshaft that will become the heart of the BMW M5 V8 engine. The precision machining systems create the cylinder heads responsible for airflow and combustion efficiency.
This torque sequence finalized on the turbo housing. Double check the wastegate actuator linkage. Verified, it's spot on.
Advanced verification systems confirm that every critical engine component meets BMW performance standards.
Power output is matching simulations.
Sustaining maximum torque. Engine response confirmed.
We're validating the thermal management. As you can see from the glowing manifolds, we are reaching peak sustained load.
Forged alloy wheels are machined, finished, and balanced to meet BMW M5 performance standards.
Electronic control units, sensors, and safety systems are integrated into the BMW M5 before final assembly begins.
At the marriage station, the BMW M5 body is precisely lowered onto the chassis, uniting the twin-turbo V8 powertrain with the vehicle structure.
Automated filling systems supply every essential operating fluid required for the BMW M5 before its first startup.
The three-dimensional scan of the chassis is complete, and the panel alignment is confirmed within the acceptable tolerances.
This isn't just cleaning, it's preservation. We are revitalizing the carbon fiber and the merino leather, maintaining the authentic luxury finish.
Look at that torque curve. We hit the target exactly.
Incredible numbers. The adjustments worked perfectly.
In a process demanding absolute precision, a clear protective film is bonded to the vehicle's surface, shielding the paintwork. Utilizing advanced autonomous transport systems, the BMW M5s navigate the staging area with pinpoint precision.
All right, keep coming straight, nice and slow. And stop right there, chocks in, secure for transport.
As the sun sets on Dingolfing, another masterpiece rolls off the line, ready to meet the horizon.